In today's video, we'll be making a lemon, ginger, cucumber, and pineapple diet drink. This drink is easy to make, very easy to make, and it has so many amazing health benefits. And I normally drink this 2 times a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. It's a great way to kickstart your diet, or if you're already in your diet, it's just another thing that you can add in the morning. It's best to take this first thing in the morning before breakfast, and the last thing you do at night. So the last thing you eat, or after the last thing you've eaten or drinking. So like you see here, I have my ginger, I have my pineapple, I have one whole lemon diced and peeled, and I have 1/4 of a pineapple, I guess. I just peeled it and cut it in half, and of course a blender. So we'll just put everything into the blender and mix it up. So here you see it's already in the blender, just doing its thing. I've also added 1 liter of water, which is very important. You have to add 1 liter of water just to help everything get in the motion of blending. Um, I normally blend it for 2 minutes, and then I'll stop and I'll check back to see if it's blended enough for me, or if I want to add some more stuff. So here I am just checking it. I also changed the speed. I typically put it on high speed, but you can put it on whatever works, floats your boat. The main goal is to get it blended enough that when you pour it, strain it into the bowl, it will be easier to strain. So here I am now. I had blended it for about 3 minutes. I did 2, like I said, stopped, blended it some more. So now I have my bowl, and I have a very thin strainer. That way it can catch all of the leftovers. So I call it trash. I don't know what it's called. So comment below, tell me what it's called, but I call it, because I throw that in the trash. So here I am just pouring it into the strainer. And you can see in the bowl, it's all the great juices are just coming out, and there's going to be no extra ginger pieces or cucumber or pineapple pieces. And I don't know about y'all, but when I drink ginger juices or drinks, I don't like to have any of that gritty residue left over. So I have a spoon, and I'm just pushing it down, helping the juices separate from the trash. That's what I call it. Very straightforward, very easy to make, like I said. I got a good amount, and you guys will see that shortly, but I got a good amount, and just the small ingredients that I use. Typically, this amount of ingredients, like these portions, will last me about a week, give or take, because remember, I'm drinking it twice a day. I drink 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass at night. Depending if you want, you can do a shot. I preferably like to do a drink, like a full glass. So it all depends on you. But for me, with this amount and how I drink it, it lasts me, give or take, 5 days. So here I am. You guys see, I'm almost finished straining it. As you can see now, I'm just pressing down more into the leftover. Again, I call it trash, but I'm just pressing it into the strainer. So I'm just making sure that I squeeze all of that goodness out, and leave nothing behind, because I want all of it to be in my bowl. And if you guys like videos like this and try, comment below and let me know how it came out for you, how you liked it. If you give it a thumbs up, obviously comment and subscribe. And I think I'm going to start sharing more of my healthy drinks that I make at home. I do plan on getting a juicer. Right now I'm just using my blender and a strainer, but of course if I had a juicer, it would have been a lot easier to have done. So yeah, let me know how this, guys, if you guys try this, if it works for you, let me know how it goes. So as you can see, I'm just pressing it, really getting in there, really pushing down with the spoon to make sure that everything is coming out okay. So now that I'm finished pushing and getting all the juices out, separating the juices from the trash, I'm just pouring it into a jug. This is not the jug that I keep it in because I drink it throughout the week. I just find this jug easier to transfer it into the bottle that I will be putting it into that has a lid. So that's how much I got from in a jug if you keep it in a jug. And then here I am now just pouring it from the jug into a plastic bottle that I had from before that I had some juice in it. Just washed it out and I use it because it has a lid. So I find it so much easier to store. Just take it out, pour it out, put it back in the fridge. And as you can see, with the portions that I've used, I've gotten about a half bottle of this amazing drink, of this diet drink. So you guys can kind of gauge and see. If you want to use more portions, then by all means, go ahead. You can make more, if not less. But this lasts me for a week. And yeah, so there it is. There is my lemon, ginger, cucumber, and pineapple diet drink. You guys give it a try. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my channel, and see you next time. Take care, be safe, and good luck. Bye.